In this video, we will show you how to add stops at certain points during the embroidery while using an industrial machine. In various embroidery applications, we need the machine to stop at certain points so that the operator can perform some necessary procedures before continuing with the other parts of the embroidery. Procedures requiring the machine to stop in the middle of embroidery are appliqué, 3D foam use, name drop, etc. We will show you how to effectively do this while using this name drop design. So, we want to embroider this frame with different names each time. This means that the machine should stop after embroidering the first name so that we can attach the next hoop to the machine for the next name to be embroidered, and so on. For the majority of the industrial embroidery machines, we need to set the stop manually on the machine. First, load the design. We want every object in the design to be embroidered in the same color. So, go to Thread Colors and use the color thread loaded to the needle number 1. So, we will set needle number 1 for every object. We can use the printout of the design to help us set the stops. The first frame with the name Olivia will be embroidered. Then we want the machine to stop and wait. Then comes the second frame with the name James in it, and the machine should stop again before we proceed with the final name. Let's go back to the machine panel. To make the machine stop after the first object is embroidered, we need to press the F button. This button will stop the machine and return it to the offset point. We will do the same, that is, press the F button to stop again after the second object is embroidered. That button may differ according to the model of the machine, so it may be a hand icon, a stop sign, or even an A for appliqué. Now, if we want the hoop to come forward towards us after the stop, in order to have better access to the design, we can set a new offset point. Press the offset button and move the hoop to the place you want it so that the hoop comes towards you. And press the Set New Offset button. Now, go to the main menu of the machine panel and move your design manually to the place you want it to be embroidered. Make sure that the machine is set to auto mode. Press the Start button. The rectangle will be embroidered first, then the first name, and the machine will automatically stop and bring the hoop forward. Now we can remove the hoop take the second hoop attach it to the machine and press the Start button. Again, after the second frame with the name is embroidered, the machine will stop, and we should repeat the process for the third name. The exact same procedure applies for designs with appliqué, 3D foam, or when you need the machine to stop before the next object for whatever reason. If you have a simple design without many color changes, you may also set the machine to manual mode, which means that the machine will stop with every color change and wait for the operator to manually press the start button and continue. For this appliqué part, the machine stops for you to place the appliqué fabric, then places the holding stitches and stops again. Press start for the machine to place the cover stitches. The operations may vary slightly from machine to machine, but in brief, you may add stops to all industrial machines following the previous steps. Don't forget to follow us for more tips and tricks, and join our Facebook groups to share your work and progress.